Welcome back everyone. This is part 2 of AutoCAD tutorial for beginners series based on real USA University exercises from the book Tutorial Guide to AutoCAD 2026 by Shawna Lockhart. In today's tutorial we will solve exercise 6.2 Piston Guide using orthographic projections. From this given part we will generate the top view, front view and the right side view using the third angle projection. I have also prepared the 3D model so that you can properly visualize how each view is generated. This will make the projection process much easier to understand, especially for beginners. And in the previous video, we have already discussed how to set units, create layers, and use the basic commands in detail. So we won't spend too much time repeating those steps again. So let's begin with the drawing analysis. This is the piston guide. Right now we are viewing the model from the southeast isometric direction. From this part we will create the top, front and the right side view. Let me first show you the 3D model and explain the geometry. I'll orbit the model toward the front side. So here you can clearly see that for the front view we need to create this complete outer profile along with the circle. Now when I orbit it towards the right, we can see we need to create this complete rectangle of length 1.5 and total width 5 along with these two projection lines and the hidden projection of the circle. Similarly for the top view, we need to create this complete rectangle of length 5 and width 1.5. These two lines at 0.5 offset and of course the projection of the circle. So now let's start creating the drawing. For the front view, I'll use polyline command, type PL and press enter. We will start from this point and draw clockwise. Click anywhere in the drawing area. Now go 1.5 units downward, zero point 0.5 towards the right, 2.5 downward, 0.5 toward the left, 0.5 upward, and finally 2 units toward the left. Then right click to exit. We will mirror the remaining portion. Select the geometry completely. Type MI and press enter for mirror command. Select this snap, move upward and click again to mirror it. Now we will create the circles. So type C and press enter for circle command. Take these two extensions as shown and click at the intersection point. Specify radius as 2.5 and press enter. Repeat circle command, click at the center snap and create another circle of radius 1.5. Now trim the unwanted portions as shown. Next we will add the center mark. So type CM and press enter for center mark command. Select the circle. Now select the center mark, type PR and press enter to open the properties panel. Set show extension to no so that only the center mark remains visible. Next we will create the top view. Start rectangle command. Take extension from this point as shown and create the rectangle of length 5 and width 1.5. Now use line command and create these two projection lines as shown. Next switch the layer to hidden and create the projection lines of the circle. Now use centerline command to create the center line. Open the properties panel and reduce the extension lengths to 0.5. Now let's create the right side view. Use rectangle command and create a rectangle of length 1.5 and width 5 on the 0 layer. Next create this projection line as shown. Now using hidden layer, create the projection of the circle. Along with the projected hidden line. And with that, the orthographic views are complete. Practice this drawing on your own for better visualization and understanding. So that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.